how to make a DIY product photography. Stay tuned till the end of this video to get the awesome tips. Hello there, hi, assalamualaikum, I'm Miss Tatiana and welcome to the multimedia production course. If you are an architecture student and you want to showcase your 3D models, or if you are willing to market any products, here are some guides to beautify your product photography. DIY product photography provides a really great alternative, and as long as you know the proper tools and techniques, taking compelling product photos is well within your grasp. By having some tools, here are the tips. Once you have collected your gear, it's time to set up your shooting area. Place the table as close to the window as possible without intersecting the shadow from the windowsill. You'll want to start with the window 90 degrees to the right or left of your setup. The closer you are to the window and the larger the window, the softer the light will be. Also remember to turn off all the other lights inside the room you are shooting in, as other light will contaminate the set. This is the most common mistake. Place your product in the center on the flat part of the strip and leave enough room to slip your white reflector card in later. If it's a border, for example, you have to keep the label type centered. Often there are many tiny movements and adjustments required to get everything lined up perfectly. Set up the reflector card. This simple white card is the light modifier. The light will bounce off the card and fill in all the shadows. How you position this card is made of this, so try at different angles to the product. Get your pictures with touch. Make sure to try out different angles. You can also move the camera closer or farther away to get some other looks. Don't forget to move around your light. Use natural lights or adding more lights. DIY tent lighting. Lay the box flat, cut a hole in all sides of the box. Open up the box and close the bottom of the box. Tape down the exterior and interior seam. The bottom of the box will serve as the platform for placing your objects. Using the butter paper, wrap it around the box so that it covers 3 of the 4 sides. Use the depth and height of the box as a rough measurement. Cut out a piece of Bristol board that matches the dimensions above. This creates a nice white platform to shoot your images against. Now using the lights, you're ready to take some photos. Now you see the comparison between natural lighting from the window light and the artificial lighting from the light box. Both play significant roles in product photography. I think now you get the ideas on how to set up a good presentation for your architecture models or even your entrepreneurship products. The main thing to remember is to keep on experimenting, try new things, change things up. That is how you're gonna learn what looks really good. Alright, that is how you do studio-style product photography at home. It is important to keep learning new things, push yourself, getting outside of your comfort zone. Alright guys, DIY product photography is easy, affordable and awesome. Don't forget to practice one. See you on the next session, inshallah. Bye, assalamualaikum.